In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly integrate your schedules into your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, head over to your Squarespace site. Just open a new tab in your browser, and once you're there, you're going to want to navigate to your website's Pages section. Here, you'll find the area you can edit to place your calendar. Next, click on the Edit button. This action puts your Squarespace website in edit mode, allowing you to make changes to the content on your site. Imagine this as having a blank canvas where you can display your events and schedules from Google Calendar right within Squarespace. Now let's open another tab and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Calendar and hit enter. Find the Google Calendar link, which should be the first result if you're using any search engine, and click on it to launch your calendar's homepage. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look for the gear icon, which represents Settings, and click on it. This is where you can manage your calendar's preferences. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click Settings again within this menu to proceed. Now you'll be in the Settings menu where you can make all kinds of changes to how your calendar looks and works. Under your account on the left side, identify the calendar you want to integrate. Then select the option Integrate Calendar. Once you access this section, look for the embed code. This is the line of code that you'll need to copy. It's a pretty straightforward snippet, and it allows your calendar to be embedded just about anywhere, including Squarespace. Highlight this code and copy it to your clipboard. Let's go back to your Squarespace page now. You're going to add a new content block, so find and click on Add Block. A menu will appear, and here choose Embed. This selection is crucial. It tells Squarespace you want to put something from the web onto your page. Once you've selected Embed, click on Edit within the block, then Code Snippet. Here's where you'll insert that embed code you copied from Google Calendar. Paste the code into the box provided. Almost there! Your calendar is now sitting comfortably within your website, but to finish up, all you need to do is click on Save. This action ensures all the modifications you've just completed are preserved and visible to anyone who visits your site. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now part of your Squarespace site, ready to tangle your creativity with functionality. Remember to refresh your page to enjoy your well-integrated calendar live within your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your communication and scheduling on Squarespace as efficient as possible.